Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, pants, stop. Today I have a Fashion Nova dress haul for you guys. I have not done a clothing haul video in a very long time, never mind a try on haul. I mean, I've shown you guys like some things that I've purchased in random vlogs, but I haven't done an actual try on haul in forever, and those used to be my favorite videos to film. And you guys used to really like them, so I decided I would give it another go and show you guys some of the dresses I picked up for this summer. I've really been in a fun dress kind of mood, and I haven't always been a dress person, but recently I've just been obsessed with wearing dresses. It's been so hot in LA, so I've been really liking just throwing on something easy, breathable, and still cute and comfy. A lot of these are perfect like vacation appropriate dresses. I live in LA, so you know it's always vacation appropriate. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started on the haul. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this dress that I'm currently wearing. It is super cute. It's kind of like a sweater material, but it's really light and breathable. It has these cute little buttons on it. I really love this. I feel like it's cute for day and for night. It's a nice like cute little short length, so you know you keep it fresh and flirty, but it's also like not too short. I'm 5'11", so everything's short on me, but this actually is like the perfect fit. By the way, I got a small or medium in every single piece, and I am really happy with the sizing, so that's just a little for reference for you guys. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this little dress. I feel like I could wear it daytime or nighttime, kind of spice it up for night, throw on a cute pair of heels, but I also think it'd be really cute for like a daytime date or like a lunch, or you know, just if you want to keep it casual, running errands, like throw this on with a pair of cute sandals and you're good to go, or even sneakers. My next dress, I instantly thought Miami when I picked this one up. Just Miami vibes. Like I could see this on South Beach, like 100%. The colors just scream Miami to me. I don't necessarily have a trip planned yet, but I've been really thinking about it. I think I need one, to be honest. So this might have been the push for me to go to Miami. I mean, I guess I could wear it in LA too, duh, but like it just feels way more Miami to me. Like I just feel like this dress in South Beach would be just the vibe, you know? Like it would just be the right move. It's super cute. It has all of these little like color blocking situations. It's super cute and pastel. I really like the little like tie-up detail. It's just super flattering, and it's really soft as well. Super comfortable for a dress that's this like sexy. It's also extremely comfortable. Actually, all of these dresses are very comfortable. None of them are constricting or like an uncomfortable material at all. Everything is like super comfy and easy to wear and whatnot. So yeah, I love that little color block one. The next one I got, which I think is a mixture of sexy and elegant. This is definitely, in my opinion, a nighttime dress, or I suppose this could be daytime if you wanted to do it on the beach, but I really envision this on like a beach vacation, somewhere on a resort. You throw this on after a long day at the beach or the pool. I'm more of a beach gal. Let me know what you guys are, if you're a beach or a pool kind of person. I just feel like the ocean, like why would you want to go in chlorine when you could like be in the salt water? But you know, anyways, I could just envision this. You take a shower, you're nice and tan, you go and you have like oysters and a martini, and you're wearing this dress, and it's just gorgeous. The cutout, I'm obsessed. It's kind of like a knitted like woven material, but it's stretchy. It forms to your body so nicely, and it is so flattering and so freaking comfortable. And the slit I think is really sexy without being too much. It's just, I'm obsessed with this one. This one might honestly even be my favorite. Then I have this one, which is another, I got a lot of these kind of like halter top dresses. That's just like my vibe right now. I find that it's flattering on me, and a lot of them have like the little cinching or the ruching or the slit, because I feel like when you have long legs, it's a feature that I really like to accentuate, so I love a good slit. But this is another dress that I'm glad this is a try on, because to be honest, I can't really show you guys these in my hand because it's just like, what the heck is this? But it's really gorgeous. I love how you can tie this top a bunch of different ways. I personally like to do it like a little wraparound halter situation, and then with the skirt there's like a little ruching right here on the side, and you can kind of like pull it up or down, and make it as ruched as you want. It's super cute and I'm obsessed with it. I think this is definitely another nighttime look. This would be a little bit much for the daytime in my opinion. This is definitely a sexier look as well, so you know, it's a little bit risque, but I think if you keep it classy with like a nice, I don't know, updo and maybe some like simple jewelry, I think it can look really, really nice. So I was sitting here wondering why my dog was barking this whole time I've been filming, and I guess my maintenance man is in the house right now, and I didn't know that, so love that. They probably thought that no one was here. I mean, I told them they could come in, but I didn't know when they were coming. And interesting. Anyways, just sounds like I'm talking to myself, or maybe that I'm on the phone. We'll chalk it up to I'm on the phone. Anyways, this next thing is actually not a dress. It's a two-piece set, but it's really, really cute. Oh, now the freaking garbage man is here. I'm sorry guys if you can hear that. But this is a really cute like little skirt set. This material is interesting. It's kind of like metallic. You can't really tell. This just reminds me, again, I feel like this would be a good Miami vibe, or this would be really cute like in Greece or something. I just feel like a Greek goddess when I put this on. I love it. I think it's so cute. This I think could be for a daytime like event, or you could wear it at night somewhere in a beachy setting. You just got to be a little wary that, you know, it might move around, so just, you know, be careful with that. But besides that, I think this is absolutely adorable. I love these kind of like ruched skirts that really sit on your body, so flattering and don't constrict you in any way, but really flatter your figure. I just love them so much. Then I got two dresses in the same style but different colors. I got a white one and this like magenta mauvey purpley pink color, fuchsia. I don't even know what you would call this, but they're both so pretty, and I don't know why I really, really like this, and I think it's so flattering and comfortable, and I'm kind of like into this whole style. I don't even know what we want to call it, but it's just kind of my summer vibe. Like I'm really, really into this. Like I feel like I should be in Miami for all of these outfits, but we're gonna wear them here, unless, you know, I make that trip happen. But I just love this purple one. I think it's so, so pretty, and I think this would be a great like summer nights going dancing with your friends kind of vibe. And then the white one is also really gorgeous. Like I said, you know, if you like something that much and you get it in two colors, you must really love it. So clearly that was the case with this situation. I just find that both of those styles are so, so flattering on me, in my opinion, and I really love them. And then lastly, I have this really cute, this is the most casual, like family appropriate daytime one. This I would wear with just like a pair of cowboy boots. That's been another one of my like daytime go-tos, is like a cute little crochet or like just simple floral dress, kind of like a baby doll style. Reminds me of something I would wear when I was like 14, but honestly it's so cute, and it's such an easy thing to slip on, something just cute and simple to wear around, you know, running errands, going for a cute brunch, going for lunch, you know, whatever. I love this. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that as well this summer. But a white one, and I've been wearing the crap out of it, so when I saw that on Fashion Nova, I was like, I need that. So yeah, that is all for today's dress haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.